Nag-short ang budget, kailangan ng emergency funds, or kaya namang extra money, huwag nang mag-alala kung meron ka namang mga virtual loan offers mula sa mga apps na ito. GGives, GCredit, Atome, Home Credit ng Kwarta, Mokasa, Revi from CIMB, credit cards of any kind, Skyro Pocket, TikTok Pay Later, Last Pay Later, at SPay Later. Question: di ba yung mga nabanggit mo, Sir Jom, is usually for paying bills or kapag may gusto kang i-purchase na items online? Sagot dyan, tama ka. That is why nabuo ang Aljoms Trading para sa inyo. So my name is Jom Esquilio and I am co-admin of Aljoms Trading. Together, we established this page and it is running for 1 year this coming August. But we have been doing this since 2021 sa aming mga personal accounts. So, we can convert all the pictures na nabanggit ko simula from different apps. And all you have to do is to message us right now. So, make sure na kapag na-reach nyo kami, only dito lang sa mga links na nakikita nyo sa screen natin. First is yung page natin, www.facebook.com/aljoms.trading. Next one is yung personal Facebook account ko, which is www.facebook.com/esquilio.jom. And then last one dito sa partner ko, www.facebook.com/almontero11. Again, this is Jom Esquilio. Stay safe and God bless.